Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing week 2 of the weekly premium challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. We haven't done this one yet. 3063 linked list frequency. More downward stop road, we'll see how this goes. Yeah, hit all the buttons, show some support. Thank you for that. And let's take a look. Given the head of a linked list containing k distinct elements, return the head to a linked list of length k containing the frequency of each distinct element in the given linked list. Okay. All right, let's see what it actually means, right? All right. Given the head of a linked list containing k distinct elements. All right, so there are 3 elements here, distinct elements. Head of a linked list containing the frequency in any order. So okay, so basically you have 3 ones, 1 2, and 1 1, right? I mean, the first thing I want to see is I don't know. This is such a weird problem because I feel like I feel like there is a reason why they want to ask this. Like if you were asking this on an interview, and like I don't imagine the reason why you want to ask this is just like put everything in a frequency table, like a hash table, and then kind of just like, recreate the list afterwards. Because that just feels like, I don't know, it just feels too easy, right? So I don't know. All right, so we might do that, and it'll be linear time, linear space, and, straightforward, probably lower bound. I'm trying to think, is there like a cooler way to do this, like a way to do this that is maybe intended. I don't know. There's no hint of follow-up or anything, so I don't know. But I don't know that, let's say we already kind of pre-construct the answer, but there's no easy way. I mean, there is a easy way to kind of do it in a cool way, but you still have a lookup table, right? So the way that you have it is just have a lookup pointer to the thing and then increment, which I guess will we do, but that looks kind of obfuscated. So okay, so I don't know how to do this farm, like in a way that is cool, but I'll do it in both directions, and you let me know in the comments which one you like, which one you prefer, and we'll check it out. All right, so let's just say we have, okay, so we'll do the frequency dot collection dot counter one, the frequency table. So then now we have current is equal to head, and let's just do actually new head just in case. I don't think we need to do it for this problem, to be honest, just because we don't really manipulate any pointers, but just a good habit to get used to, right? So you have something like this, type spelled correctly, and then basically just right? So pretty straightforward, and then here we can convert it back into a linked list, right? So then like for v and f dot values, maybe we have like a return head or something like this. There's no -1, yeah, and then return tail is equal to return head, right? So then now return tail dot next is equal to a new node with v, right? And then return tail is equal to return tail dot next, and then that's pretty much it, right? Like, yeah. I still know some of these, like the examples don't show up. Just let me copy and paste this in, just like the good old days. I don't know why they have like a requirement, but let's go submit, right? Yeah, I mean, this is pretty straightforward. I don't know if they're looking for anyone else, but the thing that I was saying is that you can also, instead of having a calendar, we could actually have a different way of doing it, which I guess I'll just delete everything. Yeah, it's okay, fine. Yeah, that's just like another way that I was thinking about it is just that you have a lookup thing, right? So then now, again, maybe I'll just do a new head thing just because, I don't know, like I said, I like doing it this way. And then current is equal to new head. And then while current, I guess I could have copied this actually because I wrote it wrong. It's not none, right? And then basically the idea here is that now you have current dot next dot value, and what is this, right? So then here maybe we can just help a function for incrementing, and that'll come in obviously later. But here maybe we have a return head, same thing as before, right? And then return tail is equal to return head, right? And basically here we have the increment function, right, for a value, and the idea here is that we return the result directly. So if value is in lookup, if it's there, then we just to look up that value, which will return it, give us a node. We do that value increment by 1. It looks very terrible actually, but yeah, and then we return. Otherwise, and maybe I will have to rewrite this actually, so that I do this, and then here now we can just do the construction instead, which is look up of val. So what we set this is equal to we have to create a new thing. So next is equal to a new thing then, right? This node of 0, which is fine. Maybe even, I think default value is 0 anyway, right? Here we're just incrementing to the thing, right? And then the lookup value, we set it to the I think I messed this up. I think I have to squeeze this in here so that it points to the right node. Maybe not actually, because I guess no, it's because it's a little bit awkward, but yeah, I think this is right. Maybe it's off by 1 and then we can debug it, but that's basically the idea, is that we have what is that given error again? Not associated with a value. I thought we did. Did I have a typo somewhere? Oh, maybe I have to do non-local. I didn't think of it in that context, but I guess that makes sense. Yeah. All right, so give it submit. But yeah, it's just basically, I mean, this idea comes up in other places. I mean, obviously for this problem, if you saw me solve it the first time, it's not necessary clearly, right? But it is an idea that comes up in other places and maybe is useful in that regard. I don't know how I feel about this problem. It's just very weird because at least if you're on an interview and you're talking to someone, right, like, you kind of see what they're trying to get you to do. Here, there could be a couple of things. I don't know. Let's see. There's an editorial. All right, so that basically we did that part. Is there like a part 2 hash table? What? I mean, I guess this is also what we try to do. I don't know. I mean, I guess we did both ways, and they mentioned both ways. I don't know if there's another way. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, do good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.